Welcome to day 2 of Enlit Africa 2025. And what a jam-packed day it's been here at the City Power exhibition stand. From the moment the doors opened, our stand became a hub of innovation, interaction, and insight. Here, energy wasn't just talked about, it was experienced.
Good day everyone, my name is Isaac Mangena. I'm the General Manager responsible for communications at City Power. City Power is excited to be part of this internationally acclaimed Enlit Africa Energy in Cape Town. This is the place where the role players in the energy business, energy industry are meeting every year, and City Power has always been part of this so that we can also build relationships with the people that are players in this business.
Our visitors were welcomed into an immersive experience, complete with cutting-edge interactive digital displays, showcasing our substation revamps, hands-on insights into our solar PV installations, smart meter rollouts, and our ever-evolving streetlight revolution.
Cindy Buthelezi from City Power, and I'm excited to introduce our stunning exhibition stand here at Enlit Africa 2025. Starting with our stand is a masterpiece designed and illuminates the future of energy. What sets us apart is the bold touch of red on top of it to pop up exciting, while the wooden flooring and the flowers bring warmth and elegance.
We came prepared with detailed info packs, smart scannable QR codes, and direct access to our digital platforms, ensuring that every conversation could continue beyond the floor. Whether it was understanding our tariff models, demystifying the TID rollover project, or simply learning how to partner with us, we brought the knowledge and the energy.
And this is part of the strategy or the bigger plans that about the future of City Power that have been put together and led by our CEO, Ms. Chifularo Mashava. And as such, City Power is also locating itself among some of those that will find solution to the problems that we're having in terms of the deficit, capacity deficit in terms of electricity.
Day 2 reminded us of something simple but powerful. When people connect, energy flows. And at City Power, we're not just lighting up homes, we're lighting up possibilities. Join us tomorrow for the final day, where we wrap up, reflect, and reveal what's next for the future of power.